What if I told you that the same strategy that made affiliate marketers millionaires just 5 years ago is now the fastest way to waste 12 months of your life? Look, I get it. You've probably heard that blogging is the holy grail of affiliate marketing. Set up a niche site, write some product reviews, throw in your affiliate links, and watch the money roll in while you sleep. That's what everybody was doing back in 2019, 2020, and it actually did work. But here's the thing. I've been doing this full-time for 5 years. I'm a top 1% affiliate on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, and I can tell you with absolute certainty that this approach will leave you broke and frustrated in 2025. Hi, I'm David Mills, and I've generated over $500,000 with affiliate marketing, and I'm about to show you why blogging isn't what you think it is anymore, and what you should be doing instead. Let me paint a picture of what used to work. You could literally throw up a basic WordPress site, slap together some half-decent review articles about trending products, buy a few backlinks from Fiverr, and boom, Google would rank your site. Traffic would start flowing, people would click on your affiliate links, and commissions would hit your account. It was almost too easy, right? But then everything changed. Google's algorithm became ruthless. I'm talking about updates that wiped out entire businesses overnight. Google rolled out what they call helpful content updates, specifically targeting affiliate and review sites. They introduced EAT requirements. That's expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, which basically means Google wants to see that real experts with real credentials are writing the content. Then came the core updates that prioritized established brands and authority sites over small affiliate sites. The algorithm can now detect thin affiliate content, sites with too many affiliate links, and content that exists solely to make money rather than help users. Google's machine learning has gotten so advanced that it can spot patterns in affiliate sites, things like similar content structures, overuse of commercial keywords, and sites that lack genuine user engagement signals. Here's what's really happening. Sites that were making thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per month lost virtually all their revenue overnight. One algorithm update and poof, 12 months of hard work down the drain. Google has gotten so sophisticated that they can spot affiliate sites from a mile away. Now, I'm not telling you this to scare you away from making money online. I recently made over $12,000 from just 2 YouTube videos and 1 email during a product launch. But if you're dead set on the blogging route, you need to know that it's not easy and it's definitely not fast anymore. Blogging in 2025 is a long-term strategy more than ever before. You could start your blog today and it might take 12 months just to see any rankings or traffic. Who's got time and patience for that when there are better, faster ways to make money with affiliate marketing? However, if blogging is still calling your name, let me break down the top 3 affiliate blogging strategies that actually work in 2025. First up is the Pinterest niche website strategy. This is where you create your website but completely ignore what Google thinks about your site. Instead, we're getting all of our traffic from Pinterest. Here's the key. We're not putting affiliate links directly on our Pinterest pins. That's amateur hour. Instead, what we're doing is we send all traffic from our pins to our affiliate site. When Pinterest users land on your website, they click on our affiliate links, and that's how we make money. Pinterest is much faster and easier than relying on SEO and Google's mood swings. The second strategy is blogging on established platforms like Medium.com. This is where you borrow and use the massive authority that Medium already has with Google. You can place your affiliate links in the blog articles that you create and publish on Medium. But here's the important part. Don't spam the site or your account will get nuked. Be honest, stay active, and produce high-quality content. You can make good money from affiliate marketing this way, plus Medium pays you for people reading your article. It's not super fast, but it's certainly faster than the traditional SEO blogging approach. A quick break. If you're serious about making this work, you need to check out my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator School community. You get to work directly with me, jump on live calls, and get access to in-depth courses and training that go way deeper than what I can cover in a single video. Check it out in the description below. Now, here's my third and favorite recommended way to do blogging in 2025, what I call video-first blogging. This is a complete game changer, and it's exactly what I'm doing for my main software brand. Here's how it works. You start a YouTube channel and make videos for YouTube first. Growing your YouTube channel will happen much faster than ranking a website on Google, which takes 12 to 24 months and requires a lot of pain, stress, money, and patience. Once you publish a new video to your YouTube channel, you take the transcript. I like to use a software called Descript for this and plug it into your favorite AI like Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT. Here's the specific process I use. I create an advanced prompt that trains the AI on my exact brand voice, writing style, and article structure. My prompt includes instructions like write in first person, use conversational tone, include personal examples, structure with H2 subheadings, and maintain a helpful but authoritative voice. Then once you have this system set up, you paste your transcript into your new project and push go. The AI writes your blog article based on your actual video content. But here's the key. It's not just copying your transcript, it's expanding on points, adding context, and creating a piece of content that's optimized for readers rather than viewers. The whole process takes me about 30 minutes per video. I copy and paste the AI-generated article into my WordPress site. Then I add the final SEO touches, things like optimizing the title tag, adding internal links to other relevant posts, inserting relevant images, and making sure the meta description is compelling. You do this for all your videos, and after 12 months of doing this consistently, you'll have a full-fledged online business, a YouTube channel that's been growing for an entire year, and a website that's starting to rank and get traction on Google. The compound effect of this is incredible because both platforms are feeding each other. The beauty is you're maximizing your content production since you're really only having to record a YouTube video, then use AI to write the article. Google seems to really like this approach because it adds credibility and authority to your blog. Your YouTube channel proves the uniqueness and value of your articles you're publishing. Plus, you're naturally building EAT signals because you're the face of the brand behind the content. But here's the real truth. If you want to get into affiliate marketing and you want a much faster way to do it than blogging, I definitely recommend getting straight into video marketing. Become a content creation machine and a video marketer. Let me break down the real comparison between YouTube and traditional blogging. With traditional blogging, you're looking at 12 to 24 months before you see any meaningful traffic. You need to invest thousands in content creation and link building, and you're constantly at risk of algorithm updates wiping out your progress. The success rate is probably less than 5% in today's environment. With YouTube, you can start getting views and subscribers within your first month. You need minimal upfront investment, just a decent microphone and screen recording software, and then you can start making affiliate commissions within 60 to 90 days if you follow the right system. The algorithm actually helps you by recommending your content to interested viewers instead of working against you like Google's search algorithm. Time investment. A traditional affiliate blog requires 20 to 40 hours per week of content creation, link building, and technical SEO. YouTube requires maybe 10 to 15 hours per week once you get your system down. Risk level. With blogging, one algorithm update can destroy months of work. With YouTube, you own your subscriber base and relationship with your audience. Scalability is where YouTube really shines. Once you hit 10,000 subscribers, your growth accelerates exponentially. Your videos start getting recommended more, you build real authority in your niche, and affiliate offers start converting at much higher rates because people trust video content more than written reviews. When I made $12,000 from just 2 videos, that wasn't luck. That was a proven system working exactly as designed. That's the real secret. While everyone else is playing the slow, risky game of traditional SEO blogging, smart affiliate marketers are building businesses on platforms where they can actually control their destiny. Now, if you want to learn more about my complete system for making money with YouTube affiliate marketing, check out my video on how I made $12,000 from 2 YouTube videos. I break down the exact strategy, show you the behind the scenes numbers, and give you the step-by-step process that you can copy. That video is going to change everything for you. Click on it right now, and I'll see you in that video.